Hi guys, I'm here with another video showing you all how to do a 27 piece. As you can see, I got my hair braiding down. I'm going to be using the Milky Way brand, which is only $12.99. Milky Way has always been an OG in my book, so yeah. I'm showing you all the tracks. It comes in 3 different sizes: the short, the middle, the long. And you're going to need a cap, glue, scissors that got to be sprayed, and some alcohol, because why not? Let's take some shots, okay? I always take shots when I do my hair. It just helps me focus. So, yeah, girl, let's get to it. So I'm just laying down my tracks, as you can see, just measuring it out. I'm going to be laying it down. So yeah, I decided to use a Q-tip and just dip the Q-tip in my glue, and that's how I'm going to be laying my tracks, because I ain't got time to be just keep squeezing out no glue, okay? It just gets messy and it's just time consuming. So yeah, I just find this to be an easier way. So I'm gluing the track down now, as you can see, from ear to ear, from back to back, okay? You want to press that in because you don't want your tracks to slip, especially in the back. So, yeah, just giving y'all a little view of the back, okay? Don't mind my AirPod. I'm listening to music because I got to. So, yeah, we're just going to keep doing that and coming all the way around. As you can see, we've made it to the top, and we're just going to keep on going all the way around. Yeah, let's take another shot. Why not? Hello. So at this point, I'm just measuring my tracks. I'm kind of taking my time a little bit more because this is the most important top. You don't want to get this messed up. So yeah, I'm just measuring the top of it and just seeing where the track is going to lay exactly. So once I figure that out, I'm just going to lay the track down. As you can see, I put it down and I'm just kind of trying to get the track on top of the previous track, because you don't want your tracks to be too far apart, especially when you're doing short hair. It's just not going to look good. So you want to make sure you're taking your time, especially when you get more so at the top, and just lay each track as close as possible, if not dang near right on top of each other. So as you can see, I'm just pressing that in. Yeah, so we're just laying the tracks around and around. As you can see, I'm pressing because you want the glue to stick to your head, okay? So we don't want no loose tracks. So we're just going to keep going around and around. We got the top, another shot, okay? Yes. So I finally made it to the top of my head. And now I'm just going to try to do a closure piece. So this particular box did not come with a closure piece, so I'm just going to keep on going around and going around and going around until I get to the top. So that's pretty much what you see me doing here, is just keep pressing the tracks in, going around pressing, and then when I got it glued down, I'm just pressing the whole thing at the top. I'm not using the blow dryer because ain't nobody got time for that. Like, that's just not my style. So now that the top is pressed, you can see the lesser that we have to go. I'm not even sure if that's the right word, but this is just how far we've gotten. And as you can see, we are almost done. So I am continuously putting the tracks around and around my head and pressing it in. So look at that. Yeah, okay. It's giving bald spot. It's giving baldy, but it's okay. We're going to get it together. So I am continuing on with gluing around the piece. So you want to lay it in the middle of your head and then taking around town. Okay, you see how I am just taking my time going around. It slipped a little bit, but that's okay because we're going to get it together. So yeah, you just want to keep on pressing and taking it around, pressing and taking it around. And I am almost to where I need to be. So yeah, I'm pretty much doing the same thing. I've closed that previous piece, so now I have got to the middle, and yeah, it's giving baldy. It's giving bald spot still. It's giving bald spot still. You don't want that. You don't want that. So you want to gonna have to try to keep on putting the track in the middle and taking it around, and until you get to your desired spot. So as you can see, I'm still pressing the tracks in just to make sure that nothing slips, because we don't want that. Okay, so you see that little clip right there where it was just like an open space. Okay, see, I showed you it again. So now we're going to close up this piece. I believe this is going to be our last piece. So this one, you don't have to do too much. It's almost like a V shape. So you just place the track and then you on one side, and then you just place it on the other side to close it up. So I'm just pressing it down as hard as I can. My hands are heavy, so that's why I don't worry about it a little bit. So yeah, I'm just making sure that that top is good and closed. As you can see, it is. It's almost giving scalp. Okay, it's almost giving scalp. So yeah, just doing a little quick turnaround. Now it's time for our shave down. Okay, I've never used these shears before, so I was kind of scared. I didn't want to cut too much. As you can see, it was kind of cutting a lot of it actually, but I was still scared, so I didn't do too much. So yeah, it's giving a little still dream girl. Well, we're gonna work with it some more, but I just wanted to come and show you guys how to do a 27-piece quick weave. I fluffed mine up a little bit, just to kind of give it a little bit more sass and not looking so, dream girl. So that's it.